What is happening? Welcome back to the channel and another episode with the tractor. If you're just catching up, this guy's got an 1.5 inch lift on it. What else did I do? Oh, pulley swap. Give her a little bit of tune up, a little bit of carb tune. This baby's doing wheelies. I don't really want it to do wheelies. That was just the fun part. Making this more practical now. Going to put on a receiver hitch in the back. You're probably like, dude, what are you serious? You can't pull anything with this. No. I just want it more versatile and useful. So I'm getting I've got a class 2, I believe it is, 1.25 inch receiver tube. And I'm gonna put it between the frames on the tractor. And I know it's not gonna pull a lot. I am gonna put ag tires on here. So that'll help it a little bit so I won't have to use chains in the woods. But here's what we're at so far. I had some angle iron laying around, no U-channel. So I took another plate and created the U-channel myself, welded that bad boy together. I just got to finish welding on the inside for the receiver tube. And what I did was I removed the back plate, I measured everything where it was gonna be, cut out the hole for it. And then this bad boy, there's a couple of plates, one on each side, for the rear diff mount. And this is gonna fit right in between those plates, just like that. And then you put the cover on it. All is well. I mean, it's gonna go on there further than that, so you can actually get the pin through there. But that's what it looks like. Like I said, next, just gonna finish welding out all in here, sand her down, and yeah, get her ready to weld to each frame in here. And then I got some other good stuff coming up on this tractor. I actually got a pedal assembly for the throttle, and I'm gonna put some lights on here too. I don't know why, but hey, just want some lights. All right, so let's get to welding this bad boy out. All right, well, I'm gonna start this clip with the welding helmet on my head because makes me look cool. No, not really. All right, anyway, so I tell people that I am not a professional welder. I'm not a good welder at all, still learning. And I tell them that for 2 reasons. Number 1, I'm not very good at it. And number 2, I suck at it. So feel free to mock me, but it works. So it got, you know, there were some spots. Well, BMW car alarm's going off. Lean on the stupid remote, it does it every time. All right, yeah. So there's some spots that were dirty, but I got it all. It spit and sputtered a little bit, but I calmed her down, I tamed her down, and woo! Aside from it being hot as crap, I don't think that's going anywhere. I really don't. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything with it. I'm gonna leave it just like that. I should paint it, but it's so dirty that I don't think it'll take anything. Maybe I'll just throw some primer on it. And then I'm gonna put that cover on and see how she looks. Yeah. Well, she's looking better. I hit her with some engine primer paint and then some VHT header paint because that's all I got laying around. But it's gonna be good enough to protect it. So I'm good with that. So I'll get this cover put on and see how she looks. There it is, everyone. Final touches all done. I do not have a pin small enough for this guy. That's a pretty small one, so I mean, I don't really see me taking this out, but just for right now, until I get to Harbor Freight anyway, I just threw a bolt and a nut in there, and that'll work. And I'm really happy with this. I think it turned out really nice. Honestly, really what this is, I've got my one down here for my little dump trailer, yard dump trailer. That'll work just fine. Really, when I'm out in the woods, towing around my log splitter with the truck, it's big, you know? I mean, it's big. So this is a lot better, and this can pull my log splitter no problem. Yeah, and this is gonna be nice for that. So hopefully, if you guys want to do this, you'll see that it's not that hard if you can learn how to weld. And honestly, I don't have the greatest stuff. I've got the midline from Harbor Freight, the titanium. This is the MiG 170. This is a 240 or 120. It's way better on 240, so I only, you know, 110 might get you some exhaust work, but anyway, that's what I'm using. But hopefully this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and my battery died on the GoPro. But anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Later.